Hello, my name is Luxel Samaniego. I'm from HRM3B. So ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ang step-by-step ng paggawa ng pivot table. To understand pivot tables, you need to work with them yourself. In this section, we'll build several pivot tables step by step from a set of sample data. With experience, the pivot tables below can be built in about 5 minutes. Sample data. Ito yung mga sample data na binigay sa amin ni Sir. Yan. Data in a proper Excel, name table 1. Yan. Nakikita niyo naman no, naka-rename. Yan. Insert pivot table. To start off, select any cell in the data and click pivot table on the insert tab of the ribbon. So, Excel will display the Create Pivot Table window. Notice that data range is already filled in. The default location for a new pivot table is New Worksheet. Override the default location and enter H4. Ayan. So, and Excel built an empty pivot table start in cell H4. Excel also displayed the pivot table field find, which is empty at this point. Note all 5 fields are listed but unused. Okay? Ating gagawin ay pipilitin natin ang CS. Ito pala. To build a pivot table, drag field into one of the column, rows, or values area. The filter area is used to apply global filters to a pivot table. Add field. Okay? Ngayon, pipindutin natin tong sales para mapunta siya sa value. Yan. Excel calculates a grand total of 26,356. This is the sum of sales value in the entire data set. 2. Drag the color field to the rows area. Yan. Excel breaks out sales by color. You can see blue in the top seller while red comes in last. Yan. Let's take a look at the field find at this point. You can see color in a row field and sale is the value field. Ito. Number formatting. Pivot table can apply and maintain number formatting automatically to numeric fields. This is a big time saver when data changes frequently. 1. Right-click any sales number, choose number, format. Ito yun. Yan. Tapos, then, number formatting. Zero decimal. Yan. 2. Apply currency formatting with the zero decimal places. Okay na, nagawa na natin. In the resulting pivot table, all sales value have currency format applied. Currency format will continue to apply the sales values, even when the pivot table is reconfigured or new data is added. Sorting by value. Number one, right-click natin to kahit alin dyan. Tapos, isa-sort natin siya into largest to smallest. Kita nyo? Kita nyo yan? Malamang. Excel now lists top selling colors first. This sort order will be maintained when data changes or when the pivot table is reconfigured. Pivot table data to be refreshed. In order to bring in updates, to reinforce how this works, we'll make a big change to source data and watch it flow into a pivot table. So, itong F5 na to, gagawin natin siyang 2,000. Yan. And then, i-refresh natin to para makita natin ang yan. Nakita natin ang pagbabago. Notice, red is now the top selling color and automatically moves to the top. 3. Change F5 to 11 and refresh it again. Tadaan! Charot. Second value field, you can add more than one field as a value field. Number one, drag units sa value area to see sales and units together. Ayan na. Uy. Units. Ayan. Nakikita niyo naman, no? Nagkaroon siya ng numbering percent of total. There are a different way to display values. One option is to show values as a percent of the total. If you want to display the same field in different ways, add the field twice. So, ayan na nga po, no? Tatanggalin natin ang units. And then, kukunin natin ang sale. Ilalagay natin sa sale value. Yan. Add the sales field again to the values area. Which is nagawa na natin. And right-click the second instance. Choose percent of grand total. Pupunta tayo sa show value. Tapos grand total. Yan. The result is breaking down by color along with the percent of total. Yan, makikita naman natin, no? Here's the field pane at this point. Group by date. Pivot table have a special features to group dates into units like years, months, and quarters. These groupings can be customized. Remove the second sales field. Okay, i-remove natin ngayon ito. Yan. 2. Drag the date field to the column area. Kita mo. Nakita mo, malamang. Tapos, 3. Right-click a date in the header area and choose group. So, right-click natin. It's group. Tapos, tatanggalin natin yung lahat ng mga naka-full view na yan. Pinutin natin yung years. And then, Yan. 4. When the group window appears, group by years only. This is select months and quarters. Nagawa na natin. We now have a pivot table that groups sales by color and year. Here is the field find at this point. Okay? Two-way pivot. Pivot table can plot data in various two-dimensional arrangements. Number 1, drag the date, filled out the columns area. Tatanggalin na natin to. Kita nyo? Tanggal. 2, drag region into the column area. Ano natin yung region? Dito. Diba? 3, swap region and color. Drag region to the rows area and color to the chain. Ito, ililipat natin dito. Kita mo? Ito, ililipat natin dito. Diba? Again, notice that total sales, $26,356 is the same in all pivot tables above. Each table presents a different view of the same data so that all the sum same total. So, that's all. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something.